play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic.
So hi everyone, I wanted to do my spring makeup tutorial. My makeup has changed a little bit since I dyed my hair. Also the seasons are changing, so I wanted to give you guys a tutorial. I'm using the Bleif moisturizing cream. Someone asked me for a makeup tutorial and I told them I'm thinking about it, because if I'm being honest, there isn't a lot that has changed in my makeup tutorial. So going in with the NYX eyebrow glue, I'm gonna go with the grain of my hair and also against the grain, just to make sure all the hairs are coated. Then I'm gonna go back like this with the grain first, against the grain second.
Mommy?
Yes, cute.
What are you doing, Mommy?
I'm doing my makeup.
Mommy, what are you making, Mommy?
What are you doing? Are you watching the TV?
Yes.
Yes.
Mommy, say hi.
Do you want lip? So the foundation of choice is the Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation. This is the oldie but goodie. I've used this for years, and back to Sephora during the Sephora sale last year, and I picked up another one in another color, and this is praline. Surprisingly enough, this is my exact shade. I have a very weird color, so I'm super yellow.
Color, Mommy.
Color Milani. So I'm super yellow, and sometimes it makes it hard for me to find foundations. A lot of the times I have to mix my foundation. This is the even in Fenty Beauty, I didn't find one that fit me exactly. However, this foundation here fits perfectly. As you can see, it's not too light, it's not too dark. In about 2 to 3 months, this won't fit me anymore. One thing I will say with this Juvias Face Concealer, it's always leaking. It's always leaking product. Going in with the Fenty Cream Blush in 10 Rose Latte. This is absolutely my favorite blush ever.
This one, Mommy.
And I wasn't a blush girl before, but baby, I'm definitely a blush girl now. Especially now that I changed my hair to this ginger color, brush really look amazing on me. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo satin finish concealer. What color is this? This is in D.
Mommy, that's nice, Mommy.
What, Mommy?
That's so pretty.
So pretty. blend this. I think I forgot how good this contour right here was. I'm gonna get a little bit of my face powder and I'm gonna put it on my brows. Make sure my brows is dry from that glue. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of my LA Girl corrector, just right. And I'm gonna take pictures. So I want my highlight to be highlight. And I'm just keeping it underneath this area. I know it look crazy now, but I promise you, in real life, it's not this bright. It just look bright on camera. The TikTok girlies, you set with a pressed powder first. This is my Charlotte Tilbury powder in 2 medium. I love this powder. I have dry skin. It doesn't cake underneath my eye and make underneath my eye look more dry than it needs to be. Now I'm going in with my blush from Juvia's Place. The rest of my face with this powder. This is going in with my Juvia's Place bronzer. I'm gonna mix both of them together, both colors, and using the same brand lip liner. In with my cream lip gloss from Fenty. This is in Cupcake. Fenty Glow on top. Going in with my airbrush flawless setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. That's first. Then I should have done this before I put on my lip gloss, but whatever. I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte flat finish spray. I'm gonna shake it really good. Yes. These days, this is literally all I do. Just prop some warm tone browns in my crease area. And call it a day. I used to do like complicated eyeshadow and all that. I'll do that here and there, but not for every day. And go in with my mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. So this is how my makeup look in natural lighting. As you guys can see, my under eye is not too bright. It looks great. So, and this is how it looks with artificial lighting. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.